If you're a Python dev, then you need to know Pandas. Trust me, it's a game changer. Pandas is like the Swiss Army knife of data analysis in Python. Imagine slicing, dicing, and transforming your data with just a few lines of code. Sounds dreamy, right? With Pandas, you can handle everything from simple data manipulation to complex statistical operations. It's super user-friendly and perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros. Need to read data from a CSV? Pandas has got you. Want to clean up messy data sets? Pandas to the rescue. Its data frame structure is a powerhouse. Think of it like Excel on steroids. You can filter, group, merge, and pivot data seamlessly. Plus, it integrates smoothly with other Python libraries like NumPy and Matplotlib. So, plotting that perfect graph? Easy peasy with Pandas. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Pandas and make your data work smarter, not harder. Happy coding!